welcome to episode 8 of the Chii Diaries. Today we're doing a mini vlog. Go with me to the doctors for my 2 littlest ones. I have 4, but only the littlest ones are going to the doctor today with the help of my mom. Today I'm taking my 2 youngest to the doctor, so I figured let's vlog.
In this mother. Oh, wait, I got something in my nose. Hold on. We vlogging in this mother.
You look so cute. You guys look cute. Whoopsie, I gotta brush out your hair. Okay. So we rocking with the man bun. Wait. We rocking with the man bun. Yeah. You look so pretty. Put your little jelly shoes on. Hey, baby. See? Close your mouth. Yeah, Mr. Kai. The Wawa. And Daddy. This is what we look like right now. This is the thing. Yeah. With my platforms. Life's a big spiral. I'm holding my spiral. I'm not trying to come down. You guys having fun? How do I figure it out? Escaping the matrix that we put ourselves in. Cause our souls can't persist. Reading this lost to the sin. Where are you going? I'm caught in the matrix. I'm trying to change it. How do I figure it out? They gave me 2 choices. Red pill or blue pill. I'm gonna say it now. We're at the doctor's. I'm caught in the matrix. Yeah. I'm trying to change it. How do I figure your finger? My nose. Whoopsie. Your hair messed. You fell asleep. You fell asleep. You fell asleep. Yeah. You ready, Tay?
After visit summary and updated vaccine records. Time for me to shine. Divine timing.
That's your daddy. That's your daddy strong, right? Like, mommy, no. That Woogie. Got your shoes back on. You need to get any shots today. Your mommy bag. Can we put this? Yeah, hold your hand, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh. It was a success. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog of me and my kids going to the doctors. Plus my mom, she helped take us there. Thanks for watching episode 8 of the Chii Diaries. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I post, which is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk. Welcome to the ChiiVerse. Are you ready for liftoff?